Never rely on what people are talking about you. Because you know, when you are not fine, people always talk about you. When you are fine, people always talk about you. So my people, some people love that they should talk about them. Because if they are not talking about you, it means you are not existing. So leave them in and talk. Their mouth dey na for talk. They make their mouth na to talk. So make dem continue dey talk wetin they no sabi for your life. And you keep on going. You no must explain to people say yes as una dey talk na so I dey na so I no dey. You no must explain to the people. Don't explain your life to people. Let them say, let them talk. They make their mouth na to talk na abi. Their mouth na to talk, so leave them make dem talk. And they go dey talk, dey talk, dey talk. So they go tire. And you go be for your own one corner. You dey progress, dey go. Dey progress, dey go. You be you. You remain you. You that person wey you dey talk. So na wetin I carry come say, you wey you dey fear say people go talk about you. You no wan do one or two things. You no wan grow. You no wan move to the next level because people go say, go say. If you like, move to that, people go so talk. If you like, you no move to that level, people will always talk about you. Me, I love when they are talking about me. They should talk about me even. They should even drag me. They should talk about me. Because when people talk about you, that's when you go viral and people know about you. Even if you are not on the social media, people are talking about you, yes, for the good reason. If they are talking about you that you are prospering your business, you are doing this, not those nasty things. That one will not go. What's up, my wonderful people? This is your girl Quinta Wine. The only girl where they sell wine. The only girl where they distribute wine and whiskey. I never say me go they drink the meal like this. Guy, I dey sell wine, I dey sell whiskey, I dey sell groundnut oil, I dey sell everything. I dey ship to Nigeria. So if you want carry load, they carry from Nigeria. Guys, we just finished loading. So if you want to talk about my business, I'm happy, because if you are talking about me selling fish, me selling crayfish, me selling dresses, me selling okrika, me selling wine, me selling all the whiskey, the cognac, the vodka, the everything that you go take and they put on for bella. You understand? So me selling all those things, I'm happy. So talk about my business. I'm waiting for somebody to talk about my business. Carry me, they go with my business. I go happy. So while the people are talking about you, about your business, whether they think it's growing, they want to talk whether they want to see whether it's growing, it's not growing, you are there making the cash. What do you call cash? Biko, just they do your thing, they do your thing, You want to go? You just dey tell them say I dey come. Now Quinta Wine 2023. The only baby wey know how a wine dey taste. We know how Portugal wine dey taste, guys. I have Portugal wine. I have Italian wine. I'm dealing with French wine, Bordeaux. So check it out, okay?